Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Zehen from ashvircreations. Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial from the Danish Zehen series. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos just like Danish Zehen. So first of all, let's open the Photoshop and open the image which you want to edit. Now choose this quick selection tool and press on this plus icon and just select the subject which you want to cut the image. Now right click on the subject and select the layer via copy option to duplicate the selected area image, or you can press the Ctrl J from the windows. So here is our image. Now we will open the background image. Now go to the file, then click on open and just select the background. Now press Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste. Command call Ctrl C and just Ctrl V to paste it over here. Now press Ctrl P to transform. Now we will transform the selection. Here we have done the transformation of the subject. Now all we're gonna do is just make it more realistic. Now we will duplicate this layer and change the blend mode to soft light to get the depthness of the subject. Now just merge both the layers and crop the image by pressing Ctrl and left click on the mouse to this background. Now press C button on the keyboard, or else you can crop it from here. Select the crop tool and just press the enter. Here we have done our crop. So the next thing is now give the color effect to the subject or to the image. Now go to this adjustment layer, then go to the color lookup and select any of the color lookup whichever you want in your video. Here is the teal and orange color lookup. We will only add this color lookup to the layer below. We just want this effect on the below layer, so we will press this button so that it will only affect the below layer. Now we will open one sparkles image. Just Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it over here, and just change the blending mode to screen. Now erase the unwanted selection or the image which you don't want in your video. Just right click on the screen and select the smooth brush edge and just erase it like this. Now just merge these both layers go to the hue and saturation, press this down arrow key. Now click on this icon and select the teal color of the subject. Now decrease some opacity of this and decrease little bit of lightness. Here you can see the before and after. Now just merge both the layers. We want here black, so we will create one new layer and create a right click on it and just select create clipping mask. Select the brush tool and pick the black color from here. Just paint it on the edge of the subject so that it may look natural and realistic. Just paint all over the edges to get the real look of the image, so no one can identify it, whether it is an edited image or a natural one. Just paint it over here like this. And here now just merge both the layers. We will open the sample image of this. Click on file, open, and we will see the image of the Danish Zehen. We will compare both the image. Here is our. And the very first thing is that we have to decrease the size of our subject. Select this subject and press Ctrl T, or you can go to the edit and select free transform. Just decrease the size of the subject and just place it over here, and that's it. Now we will just erase this area from here. Now select this mask tool and select on this white portion and select the brush tool and just select the black color from here and just erase the unwanted area which you don't want in your image. I'll first of all decrease the opacity and I will erase this portion. Here you can see little bit of originalism. Now there is something missing over here. So what is missing? Probably all we have to do is just go to adjustment layer and select the selective color. Now go to the black and just press this down arrow key and decrease some blackness from here. Select the cyan color from here. Decrease little bit of the cyan color to 22 minus. And magenta to 20 around. Yellow to 10. Blackness 35. Now here you can see the before and after effect of the photo. See, now it seems like a natural one. We will just erase some portion of these sparkles. Select the eraser tool and just erase it from here. Here you can see the before and after. Now just more. Let's make some hair of the subject. Now right click on this and select the apply layer mask. Now merge both the layers. Right click on this and merge the layers. Now select the small tool from here and just make the hairs. Just drag and push it on the upward direction. Just like this. Here we have completed our photo editing. Let's make some shadow over here. So we will create one new layer and select the brush tool and select the black color from the here. Now we will just paint it over here. Just drag and drop below this layer. Decrease the opacity to 95 and select create new layer. Select on the create clipping mask. Now again paint it on the edge of the shoes. The subject get a natural look. And here it is, we have the final touching. Decrease some opacity here. Now press Ctrl U and increase the lightness. Merge all the layers, and here is the before and after effect of the photo. Here is before and after. It is very similar to this photo. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you will be getting notified whenever I post new videos. I post videos every day. So just keep on watching the video and support us to help and grow our channel. Thank you.